I'm thankful for today, I rise and shine. With gratitude, this life is mine.
I don't know if you want to check our fountain.
Your fountain?
Yeah,
sure.
You should go look at it. Yeah, let's go. Can I take my tea?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why not?
When you take picture of me, should be your camera can extract. That's our service. That's the day I came to. And I'll see how my how it's falls. You need to show me with my tea. Show me with my tea. Then you share my small food with me.
Definitely.
It's actually because you know it's our steam bath. Yeah, I was in the steam room before. Yeah, just fresh. Water company. Lasena water
that provides water for
yes. Yes, ma'am. So the silver tank, we used to cool down our water for 3 days because our water is quite hot. So it comes out from the ground at 70 degrees Celsius. Yes, ma'am. So we need water to cool down for 3 days before we can start any production.
Are you serious?
So we don't have purifiers to our water, we don't have chlorine to our water.
Yeah.
So we only store it for 3 days and filter.
A filter.
So it's naturally purified. That's why we tell people that our water is alkaline in nature. It is alkaline. Right? Yeah. So that's why we encourage you to drink our water and always come for the steam bath soon. We tell our clients that this is natural hot water.
Honestly, yes. I need a drink to it. Okay. When they give us water, it's from Lasena. Okay. Our water comes in hot.
Yeah.
The only reason we don't drink it is because we don't know what has happened in the transportation pipe.
Oh, that's true.
So, it's so amazing.
But if you have it and you store it and you can filter,
yes,
I think that's very tempting. Because you don't really purify it.
Wow. And the water keeps coming from the ground?
Yes, it keeps gushing out from the ground. That's why it's called artificial aquifer. So meaning artificial is the water that comes out by itself on its own, that it gushes out by its own from the ground and it comes with surface level. So as it's about 520 meters deep, that's about 2,000 feet.
Wow.
Yes.
2,000 feet.
That's about 2,000 feet. And there's no pressure pump in the no, there's no pressure pump.
There's no pressure pump.
It's coming out by itself. Yes.
Wow.
You know, it's just like they call it that's just hydrostatic pressure that comes out by itself when you boil hot water. The pressure, the way you pressure that starts to boil it. Yes. Wow. It comes out by itself.
The temperature ever dropped?
On the four. So from the first level is at 70 degrees Celsius. Before it travels up to our own floor level, so it's at 50 to 60 degrees. So in the steam bath where you use, it's about 50 to 60 degrees in that steam room. So that's, but it has not, I don't think there's any cases whereby it has dropped. Even when the weather is a bit cold, it's still the same thing. Yes. Yes, but you can do it from here. Exactly. You can do it from here. Okay, now you've had a taste of the water. You can have a taste and you see that it's the same taste. It's not like there's any difference in the taste. The only thing we do is just to filter. After we store it for 3 days, we only filter it. There's even difference from the water that it has been preserved and the natural water. There's difference in the taste.
Like immaculate. That's the word I can use for it. Interesting.
Thank you.
I have heard about the alkaline water. Even when you go to the grocery store, they try to sell you the expensive one. But okay. I mean, put a higher price tag.
Yes. I know some water companies have the artificial alkaline. So they keep themselves and they have it. But ours is naturally alkaline that comes from nature itself. From nature itself.
They are afraid to drink it. Did you notice the difference of freshness? It's so clean. My daughter has.
Oh, she has.
Her lips were swollen.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you don't have to use direct natural water.
Yeah, that's why if I can smell. She drank it and her lips were so itching her, really swollen.
Terrible. But hope she's better now. Oh, she's better now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just have a taste. But I'm sure you've been drinking the water. That was what we gave you when you came in. Before your massage, I gave you a water.
My daughter's in the room.
Oh,
Oh, that's the same thing in here.
yeah, the same water in
I
there.
didn't even see. I'm so used to what's it called, the Seaway and the Ever.
Oh,
If I
okay.
see a different bottle I'm not familiar with, I'm looking like, should I know it? So
Oh,
this
that's
is
fine.
yours.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
the
I'm
extra
gonna
water.
try it now then.
So our water company is the one that is on that side.
Okay. Look at this beauty over there. Thank you for the
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Boluwatife.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put it right here.
Thank you.